Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Appsticademy. In this video, I'm going to show you how to sign up and create a new account on the Pocket Casts application. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the Pocket Casts application on your device. And once you open it up, you will see the Continue with Google as well as the Sign Up and Login button. You can either use your Google account for a shortcut or you can tap on Sign Up to proceed forward with your email address and your password. Then just type in your email address that you prefer to use with your account within the email address box, and then type in your preferred password for your account. Then click on Create Account, and now you will be asked to choose your favorite podcasts. You can choose from the various list, or you may also search by using the search box. And after you have chosen your desired podcasts, tap on the Continue button. You will now be asked to choose your payment plan. You can tap on the Not Now option if you wish to set it up later. You will now be told that your account has been created and you may import your podcasts from other application. Tap on the Done button and now you will be taken into your newly created account on Pocket Casts right away, and you can now immediately begin to listen. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to sign up and create a new account on Pocket Casts application. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.